We have Charles with a gator on the line. He snagged it with a treble hook and a pretty big weight. And now we're seeing we can't reel it in. I don't know what the test line is. What?
15.
15? 50 or 15? 50. Got 15-pound test line. I don't know if that's gonna quite do the job. The alligator looked about 5 or 6 feet long. So he's coming our direction. This a regular fishing pole. You can see the strain it's putting on the pole, trying to reel this gator in. This is something else. A gator went under.
There he goes.
Yep. He's going further out. Oh wait, there's some bubbles. I don't know where we snagged them at.
He's coming back around.
But we got them good. This could be an epic battle. I just don't know how long that line's gonna hold.
Snap.
Right at the snap. That gator doesn't know what's going on. I don't know where he's at now. Exactly, we can only follow the line.
He's moving. There he goes.
There he is. Barely see him. I can't zoom in. He's trying to make a getaway. He's facing a little bit of resistance.
Here he comes.
We're going to try to get him over here. I don't know what we're going to do, though.
There he
When I was getting a little bit wild now. Oh, boy. I don't know what we're going to do if we do somehow get him to the shore.
Get him to the bank, what you gonna do?
It's gonna be one of those things you really don't want to pull out of the water. This is a reenactment of swamp people right here in Arkansas. Oh, stumbling on the rocks. Oh, that's tight. That gator probably weighs
There he comes.
about 100. That's something.
He's coming this way.
All right, we got the gator. He's coming. He's not in the mood to fight too much. This is getting close now. He's
Look at
getting.
the pole.
You can see those bubbles on the surface, right in the middle of the screen. Very hard to see, but that's where he is. He's moving along, moving back towards the dock where we were. He's pulling that line. Can't see him now. He's under. Keep in mind, this is a normal fishing pole. Oh, he's up. He's up. See him right there in the middle. I got him centered. He's trying to make a getaway here. The gator's facing a little bit of resistance here. his pole is about. Oh, he's actually pulling him. He is actually getting a little bit closer now. Oh, Lord. Where is he?
Coming to us.
Oh goodness. Oh, I don't know what we're gonna do if we ever manage him to get him close.
Go to the other side of the bank.
All right. Oh, rocks over here. Oh. All right, he's not too far off, so we can see. I can see the bubbles. The bubbles are coming towards us. I don't know if I want him to get any closer, but that is getting close. He's putting up a fight. Shade a little bit here. A whole lot better. The gator is still underwater. I can see his bubbles. Somehow he has not broken the pole or the line. I don't know. This is luck. Oh, there. Oh, he's got a stick or something. He's pulling up the bottom. He's trying to hang on to something.
Here he comes, Jordan. Get out away from the water.
Oh, I see the bubbles.
He's coming to you.
He's coming toward me. Straight toward me. And I'm standing right next to the water. Put my life on the line to get this footage.
He's right there.
The waters on the surface appear to be calm, but there's an epic battle going on underneath.
Bam! He broke it.
He broke the line. Got it.
I was trying.
Finally.
I'll catch him. Let me give him some more water.
There he is.
Watch him, Joe.
He's coming toward me. There he is. He's eyeballing me. He's mad. There he is. He's looking right at me. He is not happy about that little struggle. He was saying I was minding my own business. Oh, we just threw a rock at him. Well, he's real mad now, I bet.
He's coming right there.
He was eyeballing me. I don't see his bubbles anymore, so I don't know where he's at.
I'm going to go try to grab another hook real quick.
You got any stronger line than that?
No, that's all I got.
Well, I'm going to get away from these shores because I don't want him popping up and grab me by the ankle. I know he's mad.